What's going on, guys? This is Ray. Welcome to your third HTML tutorial. Now, in the last tutorial, we created our head and we added a title to our website. So check this out. This is our title, but the web page is pretty empty. Now, let's go ahead actually and start adding stuff to our web page. So if you remember, guys, I told you in the last video that every website is made up of two tags, the head and the body. The head contains all information that the web browser needs to know, and the body, which contains all of our images, paragraphs, text, everything that we want to display on the screen on the web page, is going inside the body tag. So let's go ahead and create our body. So outside the head, but still inside the HTML tags, let's go ahead and create the body, less than, greater than, body. And we need a closing for the body, so we close the body over here. Now, as I said, everything that we want to put inside our website is going inside the body. So let's go ahead and add some dumb stuff like this is the body, and go ahead and save it and go back to the browser and reload. And as you can see, this is the body. This is the text that we added inside our body. So just to recap everything, keep in mind, guys, we need the doc type tag to tell the browser that this is an HTML document. We need the HTML tag, the opening and closing HTML tag to tell the browser that the web page starts here and ends here, and everything we add to the website is going inside our HTML tags. And we need the head and we need the body. The head contains information about our website, and it's basically information that the web browser needs to know, containing the title of our web page. And the body will contain all of our text, media, images, links, everything that we want to put inside the website is going inside the body. Now, the very first thing I want to add to the body, other than this dumb text, is a header. And what I mean by a header is whenever you go to a website and you see this big bold title, this is a header. And to create our header, we go ahead, less than, greater than, and we type the letter H. And H stands for header. And as you can see here, Visual Studio Code gives me some options. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H6. What the heck is this? Okay, guys. H stands for header, and the number over here is the size of the header. So H1 is the largest size, H2 is smaller, H3 is smaller, and so on. So let's go ahead and add H1, and let's close it over here, H1, and let's add a title. So welcome to our website, and go ahead, save this, and go back to the browser, reload, and check this out. This is the header. As you can see, it's bold and it's big. This is H1, it's the biggest header. And this is our regular text. Now let's go ahead and add another header, another size. Let's say this is H2, and H2 is this is a smaller header. And go ahead, save, and go back to the browser, reload. And as you can see, the header, the second header, the H2, is smaller than H1. So keep in mind, to create a header, we add the letter H, and the size of the header is H1 or H2 all the way down to H6. So H1 is the biggest header, and H2 is smaller, H3 is smaller, and so on. So this is it pretty much for this video. I would really appreciate if you subscribe, guys. This would really help me. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.